Myntri Rangbah Khubor kontrak kisang ma Haka khatway tarik mentau benai no pra ulalet yu kejat Haka office terekam jangka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board but yaki he officer jangka nika office banya theriatai halor kajing terekam kanika board Haka nika jingelang jan baro ki he officer jangka Mspcb Kliadon lang kenthop yu chairman UR Naina Malar IFS member secretary Dr. GH Chermang MFS Chief Environmental Engineer Ba Wanshan R Kharkrang Senior Environmental Engineer Kong Diamond Lang Simle Ki Environmental Engineer Ba Kenthop Yu Ba SM Ba JF Lamurong Ba Frankie Lalu Ba Mason Tiuso Bat Ki Wede Ki Officer Bat Scientist Hakani ka jingelang ki officer jangka Mspcb kilapan sengau Myntri Rangbah halor ki kam ki bala pendap bante lakam ya ka jing penjaklia ya ka saudong saukun ki wa ki telong lakade da ki riu shimet lani da ki karkhana bat ki we nalor kani kilapan sengau halor ki jing don kam jangka board ban penjanai shu ka jing shakri jangka Mspcb kam tam man yo pen khash nat trekam haki Leit ki district bakenthop hakleriat East Sien Hills District, Bernihat, Ribhoi District, Barhatura, West Garo Hills District. Hadian ke jingelang Myntri Rangbah Hakani ke sni ula play pat baru ya ke solar panel ban penmi boarding ke bakit 10 kilowatt.
Solar mission, yeah. But the batteries are there, right? Yes, sir.
The balance.
Oh, sorry, sir. Okay. Should we go ahead? Good. Yeah, just do it here. Okay. Light it up.
And that this quality has been generated by this station.
But the basic infrastructure we have to spend. So you send the proposal immediately. I'll go. You said, but I want first the working plan. What do you want to do? Success story, sir. Solar mission, yeah. But the batteries are there, right? Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, same name, sir. Oh, is it? Yes, sir. Oh. Okay. Should we go ahead? Good. Take a small bite and then you see if you want to use it or not. I'll leave it to you guys. Yeah. Go back on here. We just inaugurated the installation of the solar panels under the CM solar mission. As you're aware, this is a state scheme. It's a idea that was floated about a year back, where we want to ensure that government offices, homes, schools, health centers, all of them have some sort of clean energy and a solar energy backup that's available. And what makes this program special is it's not just the solar panels, but there is also an inverter and battery that ensures that the energy can be stored and then can be used by the people as and when they want it. So we're giving a full solution and not just a piecemeal solution. And I'm happy that today in the Pollution Board office here in Shillong, we have just inaugurated this, and I hope that this will support the overall the energy requirement here. And more importantly, it will send a positive message that the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board is leading by example to ensure that they're using clean energy and motivate other organizations to also do the same. Thank you.
Can you brief about today's meeting, sir?
Okay. So today we had a meeting of the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. As you're aware, as the Minister in charge of Forest and Environment, the Pollution Board comes under the ministry. And as Minister in charge, I felt it necessary to review the working of the State Pollution Board. And I'm happy to inform that, of course, I'm here today, and that we reviewed the entire working of the board, and it was a very, very positive meeting. A lot of positive suggestions have come, and discussions on how to streamline the working of the pollution board and ensure that it is more effective. A lot of work has been done in the past many years, but a lot more can be done in the future, and therefore a lot of positive suggestions came, and we have discussed on those matters. We will take up another review meeting in the month of January, where we will then take up concrete steps and measures on how to expand the scope of work of the board and see how we can be more effective to ensure that the different aspects of and the mandates that are there as per the Air Act, the Water Act and the Environment Protection Act, those can be protected and those can be implemented. So measures will be discussed, and I hope that in the days to come we will see the pollution board becoming a very vibrant and a very effective board, and which will lead to overall, as I said, better overall air quality and water quality, and overall control the pollution level in the state as a whole. Thank you so much. Okay.
Itu mat. Jadi, mari rekam logo tu. Bak pula ni cuy hindat ha bedai bak meeting tasni bak siam.
Haka meeting mentakasni kedai ka review meeting. Haka ba Myntri Rangbah batan berom singi ila wanyu kejat kedai ka office singi. Antara sesuai kini man ipon ila reporting sini ila bu man kepor ipon penuan sini ada apa kadu ila ya penuan sini. Ta hakan ni ke jingi kedua jingi simbol ki isu sini ki phang ila ya pan betai. Kumpai lakan himani yang ledau head jang ke state hotel yang bat pi mun impos kemat. Dan rai ngiru mentakasni nalor ka jingi ke office judul apa ni meningkasni ila sewa mesti head. Khubor ke ai bing ni ya keren bane matrai hindang kat kumbayai kepor hindang sim hiai ki dan ada.
Ki dongkam ke improvement hang ko office pe bak sengo sosial.
Menek Nyngkong du kadai banpli ki regional office jongi namar kat kumbalong mata kalong ko ba bahangi man padep ikan bijam jongi kuma ong amane nang ni na Shillong in operate ni haban tre sidu bak mara sadu ta syara sadu nong stoin takalong ko ba tamane ira ular ban padep igin ikan bijam nama kadai ka kam sekri ba ngir ngi ko man padep por ko biang han rela ka jengai padat ingin ngimla ban padep por biang.
Kalau tulip ki dan keplan ban sadap kita regional.
Keplan ni minta dan hatura akli iriat pada berniat. Balai bingnya jit jadi ni nama kini ki zaka ki babun ki industries. Mendri abang nilai si dia balai bingnya jit. Kini kalau macam macam ni jit nama kat pun berjindang ki jingbun ki industries.
Tikiman power pila biang nang.
Iman pawang impan biang. Mana ada halok tu kepang mai kenduk layak keren. Ila pa ingi ila bata ingi manusia di action plan ki jindang kami. Tahu Januari bana Januari ingin siap. Dan biar aku pergi meeting pengin saya. Ini.
Habis dia bak financial backup di dokam ni kemana?
Ka financial backup hi menta bon bang yan external funding. Kani ka bang propose menta ro ngila yan pa external funding. Ta ingila yo in principal approval. Tengah harai kam slam shu ngini final approval. Ta ka ba ingi menta kalong atura ba declare ngila dan di jikala jong bangila yo ng sarkar. Handrai makabaya de ba kabar niyan ngimpadai. Tamane sar Sien bilang bahasa convert segala thok sa tempat kata rating body.
Karena itu ke investment dokam.
Kakum ke estimate bang isna nama kada ki mini regional mende ki bahak gini. Tek malumala kin syong bay nyokrur koy. Tang ka building. Gitar ki machine yang ada kum bay. Nalo nang ta bade ki manpower bade ngin haban thai kemat bang state board.
Karena ngut kau ke office dokam Raymond Power minimum.
Kaya dan hi kedan ki details hang badan lagi. Sibo kata angin dan kami original officer, banyak original office, head original officer. Tinggal dan kami original officer in the rank of SE, senior environmental engineer. Terbebal Leit lagi post SE, Nyngkong lagi post EE, nanti almost Khubor lagi post assistant engineer, ELDA, kepian kecil kita. Kajing lut kerana ngomba perahadu sipau kuror annually budget, yang financial implication.
Ye imantano Sien unit inspection Ïakynduh laboratory. Kita ni ba.
Em kalap kumbang omane kalap jongi kadai kawai ni kalap kaba itu Nyngkong do deg NEHU National Accredited. Last lam hangila yo ni kadai certificate but ni habri ni man kapor handai man kapor bang grade ni qualify kaba mo ni follow ke SOP ke karkom ke jingta na to. Ta hang ni pada PE hadi mau sar CMLS singoi gini ila kuat banaka ila terang ban jengo tinggal ban iki ila musim ya mentai tang asam ni bawal hadi nyungi henry baros kata labor pun senem di tamangi de ani bela accredited artat kade club jini kade most sophisticated apa whole lot is
so sering ipo biang begini ipo biang ko sering